Russia's United Aircraft Corporation (UAC) has delivered this year's first batch of Su-34 bombers to the Russian Aerospace Forces, which have upgraded weapons control system to drop guided bombs as well as Kinzhal hyperosonic missiles. The aircraft were manufactured at the Novosibirsk aviation plant of UAC. After completing the entire complex of factory tests, the aircraft was sent to the customer. The weapons control systems of the new batch of Su-34 have software and hardware upgraded to use OFAB gliding guided bombs 250, 500, 1500M as well as thermobaric UODAB 500. Equipped with Universal Planning and Correction Modules UMPC with updated noise-proof GLONASS correction antenna modules, COMETA R8. Late last year, the Su-34 were upgraded to carry the Kinzhal hypersonic missile and have been deployed in the Ukraine war to strike at strategic targets. Su-34 frontline bombers form an important part of the strike power of Russian frontline aviation. The aircraft's capabilities make it possible to use advanced aviation weapons, increase the range of destruction of ground and surface targets, and increase the accuracy of bombing. We began delivering aircraft with the first batch of Su-34 frontline bombers as part of the current year's production program. The Novosibirsk plant confidently copes with its tasks, said Yuri Slyusar, General Director of PJSC UAC, Vice President of SoyuzMash of Russia.